It's a very good question, but a very difficult one. Maybe one could say that cancer is a complex disease, so to try to understand cancer, very specialized technologies are required, and the past few years technology has evolved really rapidly, in a sense that a lot of data can now be generated. And the big challenge, I think, which is being taken now in this consortium is that people who have experience in analyzing those data and in a way also reconstructing these data to understand the disease are getting together, teaming up, sharing experience and knowledge in a synergistic way, with, of course, as an endpoint to try to not only understand the disease but also to try to find new cures for these diseases, which is still desperately needed. So that's how I would summarize it.
So our lab is working on neuroblastoma, which is a rare disease, a childhood cancer disease, of course, but it's rare and not a lot is known at the moment. A few genes, networks are known. And most importantly, you have patients that can survive with minimal therapy, but however also a very large group, or half of the patients have a severe outcome and need very aggressive therapy. So in this disease group we really need new therapies, new understandings of gene networks that we can target. So, and in this consortium with the asset we hope to find some new data or results in this. So we are working on ALK for several years. So in 2008 ALK was identified as a new oncogene important in this disease, in neuroblastoma. So we are further trying to unravel downstream ALK signaling and try to identify new hubs to target in addition to ALK to make therapy more better in neuroblastoma patients. And on the other hand, we are also specialized in different omics profilings, so we are generating a lot of data on these neuroblastoma tumor samples. So, and within this consortium we can share these data and our experience in omics analysis in the data mine.
I think the European consortia, the current consortium, but also previous ones in which we have been engaged, first of all, of course, they offer the unique opportunity to meet new scientists, to get new ideas. Also, of course, there's a very structured way of approaching a problem which you can never deal with it as a single team. So the challenges are really huge, as I indicated. The data sets and the complexity of that is also enormous. And in my feeling, this is really the major benefit of setting up this type of consortium in order to tackle many questions that you would never be able to do as a single group. The outcomes, I think, in simple terms, is to improve treatment. As already explained, that's extremely important for a number of the disease entities, in particular for the pediatric tumors. In addition to that, I think we can even learn more and get broader knowledge on basic aspects of tumor biology, from which probably I would say also other tumor entities or treatment for other tumor entities could benefit. So I think it's not because these are rare tumors that the knowledge that we are gaining maybe also disseminate to other very important areas such as breast cancer, prostate cancer, lung cancer and so on.